We all know that delicious whipped garlic, perfect for grilled kebabs. But did you know that you can purchase it to go from Sassool and take it home to cook with it? Let me show you 2 ways that you can use this for your dinner. Whipped garlic, also called garlic paste, is your best friend in the kitchen. It requires little extra prep, and you can mix it with some things that you have in your fridge, like barbecue sauce. Take 2 tablespoons of garlic whip and 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, whisk it together, and then you have the perfect marinade for roasted chicken or any other kind of meat. Today, I'm showing you how to roast chicken legs, so lay them on a baking sheet and then with no rhyme or reason, pour the marinade over the chicken and just make sure that everything is covered. Bake for 30 minutes on 375. Here's the second way you can use garlic paste. So take 2 tablespoons again, along with your favorite Asian-inspired dressing like Toasted Sesame Dressing. Whisk that together and use this on dark or leafy green vegetables. I'm a big fan of using Brussels sprouts with this mix. You lay that on a baking sheet and bake that for 25 minutes on 375. It all comes out at the same time with that beautiful, crisp, and bold flavor. Bon appetit!